Stark, industrial, treacherous, unending, colossal. But enough about me. I'm here at Dublin's Port, at the famed pump house, to discover what rests within these maritime Corten steel containers belonging to visual artist Liliane Puthod. Today on Visual Radio Art. I have once again found myself ravenous with a hankering for some art engagement, and have stumbled across Beep Beep, the latest work of artist Liliane Puthod, where the world within these doors presents itself deeply encrusted with a story to tell, but how we read it is a different story altogether now. Oh, and a welcome of a sort of finished room in construction. The barrel's a permanently greasy fixture. Oh, and the smell, like caramel. It's a really pungent smell that is alluring and alerting all at once. Okay, let's get my bearings. Oh, and just check myself in the mirror as I go. Ah, yes. And there, as I follow this precisely placed wire, it leads to here. Oh, and I see right where it powers. Already. Right now, I am brought to my highest attention span at a degree of 365. Every detail adds a new unit to the scale. Every ounce of order is remedied with an equal amount of chaos. And now, at this point, I feel I already have a burning question to ask artist Liliane Puthod regarding this show so far.
Bonjour Liliane et bienvenue. Que pouvez-vous me dire au sujet de l'idée que la voiture, vaisseau de la modernité, incarne l'essence de l'ambition humaine et la quête perpétuelle vers l'inconnu? N'est-il pas simplement un mode de transport, mais un symbole de notre esprit agité, de notre soif de découverte et de notre désir de transcender les frontières du familier? Parce qu'on peut dire chaque voyage entrepris en voiture est à la fois un voyage physique et métaphysique, un pèlerinage à travers des paysages de béton et de pensée, où la route s'étend à l'infini comme les territoires inexplorés de l'esprit. Le garage sert alors de lieu de repos à la voiture, de sanctuaire où elle est à la fois abritée et confinée. Dans cet espace, la voiture se transforme d'agent de mouvement en monument d'immobilité, reflétant
No, not again. The Frenchman seems to have replaced me in my own head. But I don't recognize this space. Not to worry. I've been in this situation plenty of times. I just need to keep cool. All I need to do is navigate my way out of here and back into the driver's seat. And what better way than with a fully refurbished Renault 4? What was that? Oh no, not the tire. I'll have to find another way to safety without the use of wheels. Oh, hang on now. Might this be a set of conveniently placed reparational equipment? And fluid. Because we need fluid to enter the fissure of a tire. Oh, it's a bit difficult to see through all this sound to know quite exactly where I'm going. Let me just adjust the radio here. Okay, it's a bit better now. Let's check on how the tire is doing. Right, it seems to be doing fine, although it may have converted into a form of gas. You really do never know what laws of physics come to apply here in a place like this. Hang on a minute. Who's that? Well now, looks like the other me has come back to make right what has been wrong. Wait, where is he? A thank you note. That's not a good sign. I bet he thinks he is the one who lives outside of this tomb. Right, I need to pull over here for a minute to put on my indicators and think about my next plan of action and see if I can find the Frenchman. Maybe we can come to a deal. I can offer to speak French up to twice a week. Oh, was that? Have I just passed him? Right, maybe if I En ce sens, le garage tombeau est un espace paradoxal, à la fois sanctuaire et sépulcré, où la voiture, comme l'esprit humain, oscille entre liberté de la route et de la finalité de la tombe. À travers cette lentille, le voyage de la voiture ne se limite pas à parcourir des kilomètres, mais à travers des dimensions de l'existence, du présent éphémère à l'éternel inconnu.